Hi, I wanted to make overhead top view videos for artwork, sketching, drawing, and craft work, all those kind of things, as well as to handle products, unboxing, and so on. Uh, so, in that case, I wanted to buy a ring light to get an even spread of light for my videos. So, I ordered a 10 inches diameter ring light from Flipkart. The company name is Equipage Art. It's a LED ring light. Unboxing video. Let's see. Let's open this and see what's all inside. And we'll also review this product, how we can set this up in our overhead video setup, as well as how well this works for us. Okay, let's now open this. Okay, this is the product. It's a ring light. It says HX 260, 26 centimeter wide, and it's fragile. The ring supplement lamp is suitable for selfie and live video streaming, etc. It also helps in fill light, beauty face, beauty eye, brightness skin. Can also adjust for 3 color temperature, which is a beauty weapon. That's it. This is the front side. I was reading the rear side specifications. And a ring fill light and beauty face. Make face and eye in beauty. Night core extreme. Multiple color temperatures. So we'll open and see what's inside. And a universal mobile holder which can be attached to the ring light, and with a flexible arm. Okay. Oh, good. And a power card is it's right away attached with this thing, and there is a ball head. Okay, so it's a nice combination of a ring light, ball head, and universal mobile holder. So this is what we have got in this package. Okay, let's charge this lamp and see how it is getting charged. It comes with a USB port, and this is the power adapter of usual. Most of us will be having this, so we'll use the old power adapter with the USB port. Okay, and then we'll plug it into this, and let's see the extension card, power card, and here we see this blue light is on, and now I'm able to switch it on. So neutral or mid-range, white light are towards the blue, and yellow light towards red. Okay, so these three modes are there, and this power on, power off switch is the first one, and the minus button is for decreasing the brightness, and the temperature change button changes it from white light to neutral or natural light to warm white. Okay, and the plus sign increases the brightness, and the minus sign decreases the brightness. This is going down. Okay, this is going up. Well, in this light there is a 1/4 inch screw hole here, which we can in which we can thread this um, ball head. Okay, okay, right. So this is the ball head that I have fixed it up, and if you look at it, you see here is the uh, slot, like a hard shoe, cold shoe. There is a slot where we can insert this universal adapter, mobile adapter. Okay, we fix it up like this. Okay, done. And then this is ready. This is ready to go. Okay. See, this is how it is. So we can fix up our mobile phone in this, and then we can start recording. Now that I have fixed up the mobile phone onto the universal holder that is attached to the ring light, whatever we try to write, or whatever we sketch, or whatever artwork we do will be visible through this. So this is how the whole thing is going to be.
This is how a top-down video setup is made for drawing, sketches, painting, artwork, as well as for product reviews. It has got a ring light, a universal mobile holder attached to the ring light, which in turn is connected to the scissor stand, and we can also use a ball head attachment for this purpose. And we also have a lavalier microphone attached to the phone, and this scissor stand is fixed onto the tabletop or the drawing board, and you get a very simple and effective setup here.
This is a sample of how the recording is happening, and the quality of light and the recording with the ring light and the mobile phone recorder